If your affiliate traffic has vanished, links rejected, or accounts shadow banned despite using automation tools, the problem isn't your software. These platforms haven't just updated their bot blockers. They've transitioned to advanced pattern detection. They are scanning for the specific mathematical signatures of synthetic behavior posts. But on the right, the platform's own analytics show 0 views. The algorithm identified the bot and hid the content before a human could see it. Relying on blind automation, where scripts run without behavioral variation, no longer works. To scale, you must transition to a human-mimicking strategy. Over the next few minutes, we will restructure your workflow to bypass these filters, turning a detectable script into a stealth asset for your affiliate business. To bypass a filter, you must first understand the specific behavioral geometry that algorithms use to identify you. Look at the left side of this diagram. It shows a standard bot execution pattern. The nodes drop onto the grid at perfectly even, predictable intervals. This mathematical precision is the primary signature of a bot. Now compare that to the right side. This is organic human behavior. Users get distracted, they type at varying speeds, and they cluster their actions irregularly. To remain undetected, you must break the mathematical perfection of your scripts so your data footprint mirrors the irregular patterns on the right. Step 1 is a cleanup of your timing logic. Open your automation scheduler and delete every default fixed interval rule. A common failure point is setting intervals that feel different to you but remain predictable to an algorithm, such as posting exactly every 15 or 30 minutes. We solve this by implementing true randomization. This software panel shows the correct configuration. Instead of a fixed number, you input a wide variable range. Here, the software is instructed to wait anywhere between 37 and 82 minutes between actions. Once you apply these ranges, check your upcoming dispatch queue to verify the timing distribution. An organic-looking queue will show messy, non-linear timestamps, executing at 2:13 p.m., then 3:04 p.m., then 4:27 p.m. This lack of mathematical predictability serves as your absolute primary camouflage against the algorithm's first line of defense. Now that your timing is randomized, we need to address systemic safety by introducing a validation engine. You need to map out your workflow and insert a validation phase directly before the final publication trigger. This phase tests the setup and generates a diagnostic success ping before the script ever attempts to connect to the live platform. Without this protocol, any minor configuration error in your script is sent directly to the platform's filters, which often results in an immediate account flag. Integrating this engine creates a firewall, catching errors in a safe environment before they can trigger an external penalty. Finally, we need to run a sandbox test of your script to conduct a behavioral audit. During this audit, look for microscopic human actions. The script should simulate mouse movement and scrolling, and specific pauses for reading. Watch for instant, impossible navigation speeds. If a script jumps between pages in milliseconds, it will be flagged immediately. This log highlights the necessary points of friction. By programming in a 3-second reading pause and typing delays, the script simulates the time a human needs to process information before posting a link. Injecting these microscopic points of friction into the synthetic workflow mimics the natural hesitation and pacing of a real person. With these protocols in place, your automation setup functions as a strategic human-mimicking asset rather than a detectable bot. You are now operating with randomized execution, validated configurations, and breathing scripts. This structural shift allows your campaigns to remain visible and active, while competitors are silenced by the very filters you've learned to bypass. To help you implement these steps, I've put together a complete guide and a list of software built for human mimicking. Click the first link in the description to access it. Like and subscribe to keep mastering these automation strategies and staying ahead of platform algorithms. See you in the next video.